Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday, December the 24th, Christmas Eve. We are breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 NFL photos. It's a two-box break from a case we started tonight. Numbered up our 8 remaining boxes. We got 2 and 4. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customer list afterwards, gave them a few minutes to trade. Nothing going down. Come on, camera, focus for me, please. Thank you. There we go. Alrighty, guys. Here we go, folks. Good luck, folks. Bam! Wow, well, BM. Very nice Wisconsin photo of Jonathan Taylor, guys. I do believe that was BM who took him. Yes, sir. BM got to take a really nice Jonathan Taylor, guys. I mean, look at the size of that friggin' SIG, man. A monster SIG, JSA sticker, and your card is on the back there, BM. Very cool hit there. On that one, guys. Alright, here we go. Second box of our 2-box. Taylor had a really nice week last week. Alright, fellas. Box number 2. Alrighty, guys. Wow, bam, wow, guys. There's going to be another one of our fillers, unfortunately, man. But that's going to leave us pretty well set up for our last 6 boxes, guys. Gonna be the bummer of the Kenny Pickett. Wish that was a college, especially if Hurts is out for any length of time there going into the playoffs here. But that's a little bit of a letdown there, guys. But again, man, you've all seen what we pulled out of these cases, guys. We got 6 boxes left, and should have some pretty damn nice hits there for you coming up, man. A good majority of those 6 boxes should be very solid hits for you guys. Oh, there's gotta be a Sloan hit. Well, Sloan, better than nothing, I guess there. Bam. Well, guys, got a nice hit in the Taylor, and then finished it up with the bummer filler in the Pickett, guys. But again, man, we've had some rough breaks out of our other cases, and then came back super strong. That is going to ramp up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Thanks for stopping on by and joining us on this Christmas Eve.